the data and data tutorial channel. So I will explain in this tutorial that how I can make this type of application in leaflet, as you can see. So we can make this application in leaflet. So this is the code here. I first go in the index. This is our doc type HTML. If you are familiar with HTML, so you know what is document type HTML and what is HTML. We take this thing in English, languages of English, and the head section we are putting with device size, what content, what browser we will use, this thing we can use, and in the title section we will write whatever we want to give. So I will write there leaflet data and data web mapping application tutorial. And these are the thing. Leaflet CSS is the thing where you will find their reference sheet from their site. This is open source, so you can go in leaflet in Google and you will get this link from there. And these are the plugin we will use. In again, you will go in leaflet plugin and you will find these links also. Here, as you can see, these are the resources here. I already copied this, so I will put in the description these links. And these are the custom style of CSS. So our head section is finished from here to there. Now we will go in the body section. In the body section, what I will do, we done diff id is equal to map, because we are working on the map, so we want our map should be shown on the browser. And again, these are the leaf for JavaScript source file, and these are the leaflet provider plugin, major plugin, and custom plugin. These are the things written here in index.html file. And in this style.css file, we actually made three files: index, style, and main.javascript. In style CSS, we are giving their style 100% height, 100% width, what are the margin and padding. Okay, so this thing we do in style. And in the main JavaScript, this is the main thing where we will focus. We make variable with the name OSM map is equal to dot tile dot provider OpenStreetMap. We are using, as you can see here, we are using three layers here: OpenStreet and watercolor and water imagery. So we make three variables layers of OSM, stem, and imagery map, and we give their provider links here. And the variable is equal to base map. We again made another variable called base map, and we give them all these three things as we already given above. Okay, so I have the geo server layer published. I already published here in my geo server. So here I make a variable of geo server IP port, and I give my localhost that is 8080, and our workspace is mbgis. So yeah, I can show you here's our workspace. Here it is, our workspace. So I give them mbgis in geoserver workspace, from where we will get this layer of geoserver. If you don't have geoserver published here, then this layer will not come. So you have to first publish in geoserver your layer in your workspace, and then it will come here. If you don't know how to publish layers, so you can check my previous video. I already given link here. Also you can check in my playlist. I already mentioned there, so you can check from there how we can publish layer. Okay, so go in variable state layer name. I make another variable called variable state layer name, and in this I put my layer name, that is ambiguous district boundary layer. Here you go, here it is, layer name. Okay, so these three variables we made, and we import this shapefile into our web application. Okay, then we make again variable with the name of Pakistan state layer, and in this we are giving our WMS service of Geo server, WMS service of Geo server here of our Geo server IP port and Geo server space, these things. And in this we made our layers format, give the layers like we make this thing, this layer, so we put this name into layer field, and format is our image or PNG, and tired is our false because this is our not satellite image, this is our just a shape file, so we give them image format, so that's why we give them tired is equal to false. Okay, variable overlay maps person district boundary, person state name there. As you can see here, it is our district boundary, this name, hiding and hide, this thing will come with this thing overlay maps, and these are the coordinates. Whenever you first time open, zoom level whatever you give, so this thing will open first time like this. So this thing will show you how you can open your map at the first time. You can change there 5 or 10, whatever you zoom level you have to give. You can give whatever coordinate from of whatever country you want to give, so you can give. And layer says version map and Pakistan state layer. And the next step what we have to here is we made our variable map layers. In this we overlay our major tool. As you can see here, it is major tool. So by using this tool we can actually measure our distance. By clicking it they will disappear. So by this tool, leaflet open source, this tool we can use plugin, you can say we can use this measure tool here in it. So hopefully you will understand this thing, and we will put link in the description so you can use leaflet open source. And if you have any question you can comment down below on our YouTube channel. Subscribe, share and like so we make more tutorials. Okay, thank you so much.